Y'all can see that, how it's blowing that piece of paper. That is moving some air. Can't even hold it. All the way back here. What's going on, and welcome back. So today is Nova Day, one of the Nova days. So we're starting on the 73 Nova today. Getting back on it. It has been a while, so we are starting on it. We got Candy inside. She is tearing apart the under dash AC, whatever you want to call that. I don't know if it was dealer installed or, you know, afterwards or whatnot. But she's in there tearing that apart, because we got to get some of the lines out from underneath the hood in the engine bay. We got to get this out of here because we got to get this cleaned up. But that's what's going on. We're gonna unbox the new AC system. Basically, you have to kind of put it all together on a bench and test it out before you even start installing it, so that way you know everything works. But today, we've got some help. We have got Demon Fox 50 has come to help work on the Nova. He said he's tired of working on the Mustang.
Yeah, I'm ready to work on the Chevrolet.
He said he wants to get the Chevrolet.
It's been a long time since I worked on the Chevrolet, so I wouldn't mind working on one today.
So he has come out to help us today, and hopefully get some stuff done, get a good start on this car, because it is time. But anyway, so let's get busy on the Nova, and I'll hit some highlights along the way. All right, so we're making some headway here. We're pulling the AC out of the car, and we're also going to bench test the new AC. But here's the piece that was just basically mounted to the underside of the dash, so it kind of gets in your way. If you're tall, I mean, I'm 6 foot, so, you know, when Candy drives, she's short, so I was cramped up my knees against this thing, and it just hangs below the dash. So let me show you inside the car. Now we got some room. Now I got some leg room, especially on the passenger side over there, you know, where it hung below the dash. I mean, when the seat's up, you know, I'm just squished over there, so lots better, much better. So now we got to take the dash apart and make sure that the controls there, the new ones, make sure they fit, and then we'll be able to continue with bench testing. But we're making some headway, making some progress. Ain't that right?
Hey.
All right, so we got the cluster out of the car. Just want to show that real quick. A little bit different than a Mustang. You got tons of room behind it. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get out of there. Had some things in the way and had to figure out some of these clips because they're from 1973, but we got it out. And we've got the cluster over here on the table. We've got the new controls in and everything plugged in per the instructions. Basically, this is a bench test just to make sure everything's working and calibrated. So we got our little, what is that called? Calibration keys right there. I'm not going to go into all this. I don't want to bore you guys, you know, watching me calibrate this, but once everything's calibrated and we can see stuff work, I may film that just so you can see. Should get air blowing out of these ports here and whatnot. So but anyway, let's get to this. All right, so we're going to do a little function test of the classic auto air system.
The door, sorry.
What we're going to do first is we're just going to check the dash, defrost, and floor, just so we can see the air change from certain ports to other ports. Just wanted to show you guys that so you can check it out. So let's see what goes on here. Fan on, we got some air coming out here. And right now we've got it, hopefully you can hear me, right now we've got it set to dash. We're going to move it to defrost and watch the doors open and close. Hopefully I can catch them on here. See that door in there closing. So now we're coming out of different ports. There it is, fully into defrost mode now. It's awesome. Then we're gonna go to the floor. Now you can see that door closed. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this thing is moving some air now. It was pretty awesome. I'm trying to have something to put in front of it. Y'all can see that, how it's blowing that piece of paper. That is moving some air. Can't even hold it. All the way back here. That was awesome. Cool. I need to shut this off. All right, so first test is good. We're gonna run through the other ones and continue on. All right, so we made a little bit of headway today. Got the condenser out, and as I showed before, got everything out from inside as far as the AC. Got the cluster out. Still need to get the factory controls out. We won't need those anymore. So we'll get that out, get that out the way. But now we got a lot more leg room, and that's going to be a whole lot better for me. So, but we're getting there. We got another start on it, so I think we're doing good. Sometimes that's all you need is to get out and get started on something. But I want to thank Demon Fox 50 for coming out and hanging out with us.
Yep, man.
And helping us out.
This lady right here is a beast, guys. She got in there, ripped that thing out, it smelled like it wasn't nothing.
So let me know in the comments down below if you want Candy to start her own YouTube channel. Let's see how big she could get. Let me know. Let me know. Comment down below. Yeah. And if you haven't subscribed to Demon Fox 50, do that. He is he's getting close to 1,000. We want to get him there, so subscribe to him. But anyway, we're gonna wrap it up here. We got some other things we got to do. So hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and you might be subscribing to her. And we'll see you on the next one.